attention. We are from Xround, and this is our product called Xpump. This small device can transfer any kind of stereo speaker into a multi-channel one, like 5.1 home theater system. And this small gadget is very easy to use. You just install your 3.5 audio cable in, and from your audio content like iPad, iPod, or PC, and attach the output audio cable to any kind of stereo speaker, and that's it. It's very easy to use. And there are two modes. One is for the speaker mode, and another is for the headphone mode. It can create a home theater-like listening experience. And there are some button key up and down, and there is also micro USB charge. There is a battery inside in this Xpump. After full charge, it can sustain 7 hours. So let me show you some demo here. What you hear is the original one from the stereo speaker. There is no surround sound, just stereo, normal one. And I can just push this button to enable this feature. Surround, get more detail and enhance space. It's like a 5.1 home theater system, just in your home. This product Xpump was already launched on Kickstarter last year, and now it is mass production now. You can buy it from the Amazon United States, or some from Taiwan, Hong Kong, or China. Also, we will plan to sell this product in Europe, like in British, Amazon, and some Europe country.